15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So stay right over crest, then line left 6 long, and remember, stay right, crest, left 3, stay right, deceptive crest, left 3 plus, opens. Line left 5, over crest, 80, kinks, line right 5, into stay right over crest, into line left 5, opens over crest, 80, line right 4, opens onto gravel, 500. We're going to go left 3 minus. It's going to be left 3 minus, 80. Then line right 4. Oh, they took the mailboxes away. Line right 4. And left 4 minus. On tightens onto asphalt up 100. Don't go wide. Into max crest right 6, then left 3 plus over crest, then gravel right 4, right 4 opens over crest, 80, left 5 plus over crest, 100, line left 4 plus over crest onto asphalt, 80, line left 6 opens long, 300. This is where you go onto the highway, just keep going. You're going to brake hard at the yellow sign right, and then left 3. See if you can hold it. Okay, brake hard. Right 3 into left 5 long, 80. Left 4 over flat crest. So left 4 over flat crest, right 6 long. Into long crest. Right, then you're going to right 4. Okay, good job.
Oh, wasn't too bad.
Yeah, that was excellent. Yeah.